On 15th of June, 1975, over 21,000 American soccer fans entered the Downing Stadium to see soccer great Pele make his debut for the New York Cosmos. This was to be Pele's day, and Pele's day only.
There he is, the man they've been waiting for here in New York City. A thunderous ovation for soccer's greatest player, Pelé.
He was cheered on every time he touched the ball, as the crowd eagerly anticipated his magic on American soil. But on the field was a little-known reggae boy. His name was Altamont McKenzie. From very early in the match, he took a liking to the spotlight, coming face-to-face with King Pele on several occasions.
McKenzie trying to stay with him. Beautiful move. It's Pelé. Back to Pelé it comes.
But it was in number 10 that all hell broke
Headed
loose.
out by Alfred Jackson. David Chadwick, excellent ball handler for the Dallas Tornadoes.
McKenzie latched onto a through pass from teammate David Chadwick, beat the Cosmos defenders with his lightning pace, and slammed a powerful shot past the gasping goalkeeper. New York fell silent, and Pele's party was about to be spoiled.
As he is led perfectly here by David Chadwick, number 21, who sends the pass up. Mayhe trying to catch him from behind, can't quite get up to him. Coming up from behind him, Werner Roth now. Roth trips him up, but he manages to maintain his balance. Newsom has made his move. He is out of position, and the goal comes at 9 minutes and 20 seconds in the first half. McKenzie.
Spurred on by that goal, McKenzie went on to showcase his skills, much to the annoyance of the Cosmos fans.
Dallas in the dark jerseys, controlling. They've dominated so far here in the first half. McKenzie here, man who scored the only goal of the game. Going one-on-one with Pelé, slips it back to Mike Renshaw. McKenzie for Dallas. Over to McKenzie. McKenzie, expert footwork. Problems this year. They are fourth in their division, the Central Division of the North American Soccer League. Cosmos very much in the battling for the title in the Northern Division. McKenzie trying to put some fancy moves on. There's a little match for you between Kerr, number 6 of New York, and McKenzie, number 15 of Dallas. Renshaw up to McKenzie.
Perfect through pass by Pelé there, setting up an opportunity.
There's McKenzie. He's got a great save by Newsom. As McKenzie really put on a burst of
But
speed there.
let's shorten the story. In the end, the king reigned, setting up his team's first goal.
Perfectly set up.
The New York Cosmos have just scored, and we'll look at it again as Pelé set it up for Spiegler. And watch this play, Ben. Perfect example of Pelé's.
Move down the right, the ball transferred to Pelé. Now, there's no sudden rush. He just takes in the situation, sums up where the best pass can be placed, and here you'll see it pass with slide rule perfection. The whole defense wrong-footed to the unmarked player. There he goes. It's not a shot of any power from Spiegler, but it just beats. There you see, just creeps into the corner of the net.
And scoring the second as the match ended in a 2-all draw.
He could really.
Goal is scored, and we'll look at it again by the Cosmos to tie it up, and it was Pelé. And here it comes again. Ball coming across from the right. There you see the dark man lurks, leaps high into the air, the perfect header, and Pelé has scored his first goal in the North American soccer, and the crowd are going wild. As well they might. That has just about stopped the game here. The photographers behind the goal, there must be hundreds of them along with spectators, and listen to the fans chant Pelé.
Rest photographers having to be removed from the pitch, they just went crazy then. As Pele equalizes the score at 2-all.
This was a happy ending for all. But who can forget the moment when Reggae Boy Altamont McKenzie, the man they called Doc, threatened to spoil Pele's welcoming party for 21,000 cheering Cosmos fans.
McKenzie goes down for the Dallas Tornado, and McKenzie was tripped up and is hurting a little bit apparently. You're watching the return of Pele on a special edition of the CBS Sports Spectacular, and we've got a warning card called on Liberich.
So what became of Altamont McKenzie? Well, he went on to have a stellar career, winning the American Soccer League in 1976, and also went on to play in the Dutch League. He is a member of the State University of New York Hall of Fame. He represented Jamaica between 1978 and 1980, and also played for local football club Santos later in his career. McKenzie was among 5 players who were honored for their contribution to Jamaican football in 2020. So Doc, all Reggae Boys fans, say big up to you wherever you are. You have made us all proud.